Okay, today I want to show you guys how to easily find your frames per second on a video, and this is for MacBook that I'm actually on. If you're doing this on PC, there's actually different steps you need to do. So anyways, to get started, just open up the files where you have the videos, and then what we're going to do, right click, and I'm going to go open with QuickTime Player, and this should be in default on your computer. Okay, once the video opens up, next thing we want to do is come up here to where it says Window. We're going to click that, and then we're going to come down to Show Movie Inspector. And then once the inspector window pops up, which you should see right here, right where it says Video Details, just go ahead and click that little arrow. And then right up on top, it should say Encoded Frames per Second. And as you can see here, this one was only taken at 23.99 frames per second. So anyways, I hope this helped you out. If it did, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't, and we will catch you guys on the next video.